Let's start with the exercise 22. In this exercise, first of all we study the sketch. Now here we start from the base. This is a easy method for us. So draw first of all 80 by 42 mm rectangle and now extrude up to 5 mm. So first of all we start Creo. Let's select part solid and enter part name exercise 22. Now our working window is open, so select sketch and select top plane. Now draw a rectangle with the dimension 80 divided by 42. This one is a 42 divided by 2. Now take into center. This one is a 80 divided by 2. Finish. Default oriented. Now 80 by 42. Now extrude up to 5 mm. Select X2, switch and 5 mm. Okay. Now make 30 mm radius at both corner. Select the round. Select this edge, corner edge. Now with the help of shift, select this one and now enter the radius value 13 mm. Okay. Finish. Now draw this x2, square x2, which is a dimension is 46 and now 42 mm. Now extrude up to 38 minus 5 mm and now draw in this top face. Select sketch, select this face, sketch, draw the rectangle with the dimension 46, this total dimension 42, go inside the and this one. Okay. Now select x2, total x2 38 minus this 5 mm x2, enter here 38 minus 5, 33 mm. Okay. Now render it. Make this hole dimension is given from here 24 mm from this edge and now 50 mm from this. Diameter of the hole is 15 mm. Select sketch, top face. Now draw the hole with the dimension from this edge 24 mm and from this edge 15 mm, hole diameter 10 mm. Okay. Now select x2, opposite direction, select throughout. Okay. Now make this slot. The slot dimension is 22 mm length and 80 mm deep. Throughout slot is given. select sketch, top face, now select rectangle, draw here with the rectangle dimension 22, this one is 8 mm, and now this one is half of 22. Select coincide this edge. Now you can measure this dimension 10 mm. You can see it 10 mm. Now make throughout hole. Okay. Select extrude, opposite direction, select throughout. Okay. Now make this radius. Now first of all we draw this 20 mm line, and now from here give the 23 mm radius. So first of all we select sketch, front plane. Now draw here rectangle, give the dimension 23 mm. Now make the fillet at, give this one 23 mm radius. So less than 23 mm. Okay. Now edit the sketch. Make here hole 9 mm hole, and now center 10 mm from the both the edges. Select circle. Now make here hole, enter diameter 9 mm. Give the dimension from this edge 10 mm. Now this edge 10 mm. Okay. Now select extrude both the 11 mm, so symmetric 11 mm. Okay. Now make this radius 16 mm radius. So first of all we draw the rectangle 16. Select sketch, this face. Okay. Now draw the rectangle. This is the unequal rectangle. Now make the radius fillet. Join the line. Now trim the another line. Finish. Select the extrude, opposite side. Now extrude up to 22 mm. The removable material option is not visible, so some mistake is finish. Now our exercise is ready for the modeling. All the features are included and done successfully. Thank you for watching these videos.